Did you know that there's an alternative name in Irish for February other than Fiara? It's na Fuili. So what does it mean? Well, there's a few different theories on this. One theory is that it comes from Fuil, which is another name in Irish for a wolf. So mean the wheelie, month of the wolf. Number two is that it comes from the Fuili, meaning the joyous month. So that's quite a contrasting meaning compared to the first one. And number three, I heard an elderly man say on Irish Gaelic one time from Donegal, mean the wheelie, the hílse gur fuilach an jevri bhí an na slédan agus helaháit a bhí golhar chukasha mi fiora. Maybe bad weather would come in February, the last of the bad weather. And another one I personally heard was maybe it's to do with leap year, that fuilach, that the extra day is added on in February, so the surplus. So Sinead, which is right, I don't know, maybe mina fuilach, mina wheelie is more plausible. The fuilach, that's what I always thought it was, the leftovers, other meanings.